In these very moments before dawn, 269 brave hearts are anticipating a journey that would test your limits and reveal your true strength. Today's remarkable day, as you step on the starting arc of San Rafael Mountain Run, you will complete more than just a distance race of half marathon. You will fulfill a dream that many wouldn't dare to chase. This ride is a testament of your courage, determination, and unwavering belief in yourself. Remember this feeling. You prove to yourself that being a fighter and unstoppable is not just a state of mind, but a reality you brought to life. Good luck!
Ako nga po pala si Rizal, nakatira sa Barangay Bukal, sa Riaya, Quezon. Ang sinalihan kong kilometers sa San Rafael ay 10 kilometer. Matagal na naman ako natakbo sa road and trail, kaya kung saan, sanay na yung katawan ko at yung resistensya ko sa ganung mga takbo. Yun nga lang, kaka-technical yung mga ahon. Iba-iba kasi yung mayroong patag lang. Pero itong sa San Rafael, talagang challenge.
Water lang to, Koy. Diretso lang. Okay. Sige. Good morning! Water dito, water. Go, laban. Pero go lang, diretso lang, maga pa. Kaya pa yan. Good job. Good morning. Morning po. AM. Yes.
Hi, my name is Coy Gray. I'm from Taytay. I joined the 23-kilometer category. Kasi madalas ako dito. So, the difference is yung route from the start. They use the riverbed. So, may river crossing sa start. Tapos, yung rocky. So, the unique experience is yung you run with other people with the right discipline. You run with them. And it's challenging.
Like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. So many times I've strayed.
Last 2 km.
A castaway, I'm not alone. Of those stranger in the sky. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. Infatuated light. Although it hurts me to be with you, I'm always in bloom. Always in bloom for you.
Mount Ayas kasi accessible siya. Tapos ang kagandahan dito sa Wawa is adapted sila sa sa ganung nature ng sport. So yung community is welcoming, and at the same time yung trail is unique. A combination of technical course because there's rock garden in trails. Then meron siyang mga dirt path and flowy siya. Then accessible siya sa lahat.
This is my first time here with my son, so it was at first scary because he doesn't know. He doesn't know how to run the trails like me, because I've been doing this since last year, so I know how it works, right?
For me naman, since first time ko sa mountain run, trail run, medyo mahirap siya ng konti. Pero actually nag-hike naman kasi kami. So we expect na yung mga bato, madulas siya, then syempre matarik talaga.
Incline, very challenging kasi may dog. Pero sa kanya, easy lang. Mas nauuna pa nga siya sa amin eh.
But then again, we were able to finish it together, strong and proud. So I'm really happy. And I didn't know that this little girl also finished with a medal. So I'm really, really proud. I'm a proud mommy.
Maganda yung organizers, it's because on time talaga yung program na sinet nila. So once na sinabi nilang 6 AM yung gun start, automatic 6 AM talaga. So hindi nagkakaroon ng delay or any late.
Eh di masaya kasi yung mga kasabay namin din, parang dog lover din. So
nakikitan sila every time na tumadaan kami.
Yeah, masaya.
It's family oriented, right? They have events for kids also. So my kids don't just get to watch me at the finish line. At least they get to run with me like this. It's a very exhilarating experience for me. Thank you, San Rafael. It's a very good bonding for the family also.
First of all, thank you so much for the experience. Since it's our first time, we're very proud kasi hindi namin in-expect na makaka-first kami. And thank you for allowing us na i-explore yung Ayaas. Napakabait ng locals, lahat binabati talaga kami.
Thank you sa nag-organize for allowing dogs.
Yes.
And very happy kami sa event.
And siya din.
And si Java.
Java yung name niya.
I just want to give thanks to the organizers. A good organized event. It's a privilege for me to be part of this event, and I just want to give thanks for supporting runners, for supporting the community, and for doing this for us. Thank you.